And then as we move into Wales, a very similar story. Scotland will be left, but for most it's going to be a sunny and a cold afternoon. This is the northwest of England. For Northern Ireland, here too, some sunshine, just a few showers heading the northwest. So as we head through the evening and into the overnight period, under the clear skies, the temperature will drop. In the Scottish for time, -10 is quite possible. We're going to be at -2, 3 and 4 across the rest of the land. But this system will come in from the Atlantic. That will push the temperature up to -5 in the Glens through the night. And as you can see, we're looking at
the guinea pigs aren't there.
With some rain coming our way. Now that will be with us tomorrow, the snow especially on the hills of Scotland, across the Pennines as well, and some too across the hills of Wales. As the host system sinks south, cold air cuts in behind, so we're still looking at wintry showers across parts of Scotland, dry and brighter as we head further south. That cold game continues into Friday as we lose the rain from the east, and then for many it's going to be a dry day, a crisp winter.
Spider's such a cutie cute cat.
By night,